Good morning. This is Afsha Firdose presenting my topic Darlington Emitter follower using transistor simulation using multi. Introduction. A Darlington Emitter follower is two transistors operating as one. Both collectors are tied together. The emitter of the first is connected to the base of the second, but the base current IB2 is equal to the transistor TR1 emitter current. IE1 as the emitter of the TR1 is connected to the base of TR2. Theory of this operation is at the input stage, the input signal is applied to the base of the first transistor Q1, and when the positive voltage is applied to the base of the Q1, it starts to conduct. And in the output stage, the voltage drop is at the base of the second transistor Q2. It turns it on, and as Q2 conducts, it pulls current from the load connected to it emitter, since the emitter is off at Q1. The input impedances of the Darlington emitter follower, it is primarily determined by the input impedance of the first transistor Q1, since Q1 is typically biased in a way that offers high input impedance. The output impedance of the Darlington emitter follower is relatively low, primarily determined by the output impedance of the second transistor Q2. Low impedance allows the circuit to drive loads with relatively low impedance effectively. The design and procedure. The design of the Darlington emitter follower, it follows the following steps. First, we have to connect the circuit as shown in the circuit diagram. Then we have to apply an input voltage of Vi, say 100 milliwatts. Then we have to vary the frequency in hertz and note down the corresponding output voltage from the CRO. Then we have to find the gain of the Darlington emitter follower. And then plot the graph of gain versus frequency in the semilog sheet, and we have to find the output and input impedance. The components required for this is a transistor of BC107. We have two transistors. Then we require one resistor of 470 ohm. We require two potentiometers, one of 100 kilo ohm and another one of 200 kilo ohm. We require one capacitor of 10 microfarad, a CRO, a DC power supply, breadboard, and the connecting wires. This is the circuit diagram, how we are supposed to connect the circuit, and this is the simulated output waveform which we get when we click on run.